Hello, what's up, good people? It's me, back with video. Second take. Bella, don't listen to Papa. Okay. You saw that, right? That's Nick's laundry bag. So I'm doing a review on this. This is the EIGSHOW. It's the ultimate all-in-one brush cleaning system. If you have a code reader, I'm gonna hold that up there and get a good look at it. So, second time I'm shooting this video, just so you know. I got this from where the things only cost $5. The name is escaping me. That thought eagle came and like snatched the ideas from my head, so I can't really tell you. Anyway, so I bought this. What the hell is it called? I don't know. And it's already like busted up. I already had to use my E6000 glue on it. It's $5. That's why. Anyway, I went on Amazon, and I think it's like $15, and you get 10% off. I have a code, but I will put a link to the product. I'll go to my Amazon, look at past orders, and let's see. So stuff is gonna. It comes with other stuff aside from that. So this is a cleaning brush mat with suction on the back. So if you want to do this in the sink, I guess you could just wait. Pop it right onto the kitchen there and, scrub your brushes. If you're not familiar with scrubbing the brushes, these are still wet. I scrub them. You have your mat, your scrubby mat. You can buy brush cleaner, or you can use Dawn because it's grease. Just the blue Dawn. Put a little bit in there. Lather, 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 lather. Scrub it, scrub it, scrub it, scrub it. Rinse, 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 rinse. You don't want to get this. I forgot the name of this part. Splish it out and then up. Up into the good cleaner it goes. This is not the good cleaner. This is the one we are replacing. So yeah, we're doing this one. Yay! So it comes with that. And it comes with this. This is the top of it. This holds many more brushes than this. Many, many, many. And it's so easy peasy, lemon squeezy to open. Then they give you extra goodies. This does two things. First of all, you can take your dry brush in between, like putting your makeup on, darker colors. You just rub it off in there, lighter colors in that foam. Or turn it around, take out the foam, and use it as, again, like I don't know, I guess you could use it like a drying mat or something. This is what the rack's for. Okay, maybe for scrubbing more brushes if that one isn't good enough, or if you're going traveling and on holiday or something. Oh, then I love these things. I didn't even know that it came with as an extra gift, but it did. I need to turn down Tommy C. Shot from the Point because it's going to start in like 8 minutes and it'll be loud, the YouTube behind me. So I'm like, well, what is this? I'm sure you've seen apples in this, and I had one out. What I did do with it? Oh no, that means I lost one. Where did it go? Okay, I'll find it. I'm sure I'll find it. Okay, so I lost one, so now there's only 9 sleeves. These things are genius. Genius. God, they should make some bras and jeggings out of this material. Legit. You see this thing? Is it going to fit over this? This is the stuff that you find around Japanese pears. That's what it's by around. So you put these around your big brushes, or any brushes, actually. And look at that. Do you see that? Do you see that? It'll keep your bristles together. How fabulous is that? They give you 10 of them. Well, I didn't count them, but I'm sure they said 10. So to this, first thing you want to do is you want to peel this off. This is just to protect it. To protect it during shipping. You can leave it on. It'll come off on its own. Don't start freaking out if that happens, if you forget to peel it off. It really is no big deal. It's just that if you want shiny gloss, because otherwise it just looks It looks weird, you know what I mean? But with that being said, just get an edge. I don't have my nails on, because like I said, maybe I said it this video, maybe it was the last one that never will see the light of day. I'm going to be testing some new nails that I got online. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on off you. I'm not going to force you to come off on the video if you don't want to come off. Okay, well, this one came off. I'll take this top. Let's see if we can grab an edge anywhere for the peely peelies. Peely peely. Okay, peely peely. See, I just literally ASMR, ASMR. Ooh. Ah, no, I shouldn't have done that because now I have a little piece left. No, no, no. Yeah, anyway, it's really good. It looks like it's really good quality. And hopefully, let's hope I get more than, let's see, this is April 1st. So I bought it around Christmas time. Well, let's say Thanksgiving. That's what it looks like. Okay, so we're just going to be, I'm going to put it together real quick. This is the bottom. Okay. So that goes inside, easy peasy. I can't get a piece. It should all be white. I just can't. You don't want to sit here and just watch me trying to struggle with my fingernailless fingers. Anyway, oof, it slipped off. And then this bad boy just pops right in there, right on top of that. And look, Viola. Oh, you say voila? Oh, I say viola. Tomato, potato, patata. Viola, voila. Okay. So you have this. And then after you wash your brushes, you find a part to go in. Big brush, big handle. You know what they say about big brushes. They have big handles, right? Am I right? I just washed these. So, yeah, the other one with that glue, it got all over my Bella Pure brush, which I'm not happy about. So I'm just gonna, see, it's like, these are still wet and have to dry. So I'm just gonna stick them in here. I'll show you this. So many, so many different size holes, which is really, really nice. For the really thin. And it just seems to hold it a lot better, you know what I'm saying? So this is what it looks like. I'm trying to, so you don't see the tape on it, the covering. So yeah, it holds, let's see, 4 and 4 is 8 and 4 is 16, 17, 18 eye brushes. And then it looks like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 big, thick foundation, big powder brushes, and then 1, 2, oh no, something, wait, 8, 16, yeah, count, look for yourself. So I'll just leave a description where I got these. Yeah, whatever, I know if you're watching me, you know what that damn $5 store is. I know you know, oh, I even glued the mat down by accident. It cracked. It kept falling. It wasn't level. And this rubber is just like, ugh. It's gross. I'm sad I bought it. But I guess I'm glad I bought it. Here's a review for that $5 store. What is it called? Blowpipe. I don't know, but don't buy this. It's garbage. 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 I'm thinking about all the plastic we've wasted just making it. I don't even know if you can use the stand for anything. You know what I mean? Maybe. So ask your husband, do you need this for anything? Can this work for anything? I don't know, we'll keep the stand. I'll ask my husband. He's good at repurposing stuff. Thank you for watching. And again, this is the box that it comes in. And it's called the Ultimate All-in-One Cleaning Station. I will give you that thing again if you want to hold your phone up. It's vegan. It's cruelty free. Yep, yep, yep. And I like it. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thanks for tuning into my channel. If you like it, push the button. Have a great day. Happy April Fool's Day. Bye.